Hi guys, and welcome to another Divi theme video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, we've been putting together this little product sales page. It's a bit of a sales funnel. It tells you all about the product and sort of takes you down the page. And when you've read all the stuff about it, you get to choose an option and actually buy it. In our last video, we installed WooCommerce so we can start actually selling our product. So let's continue and actually create our first product. So let's go back to our original site where we left off. Here's the WooCommerce where we left it. And while we're here, let's set up our payment options. Shipping. There's our location in there. And I'm going to do flat rate shipping, and I'm not going to ship to the rest of the world. I'm going to put $20. That should cover my shipping costs for this product. Now you can set up different shipping for different areas if you want to. I don't need to do label printing, but you can do that here if you wish. Now let's set up our tax. And you can configure that right here. And standard, I'll call this. It's also going to attach the shipping. I'm going to take that off. So we'll save those changes. And let's add our payment method. I'm simply going to use PayPal for mine. And just put the PayPal address that you want to be paid to right in there. And let's continue. Let's create our first product now. So I'm going to click on the products and hit the create product button. And my product's going to be called MacBook 16-inch. And I'm going to add a product description. And let's add a price. And for the plain MacBook on its own, it's going to be $19.89. If you want to put a sale price in and reduce it, you can do so there. I don't want to do that. Short description is what's going to appear right beside it. So let's just take some of this and use it for a short description. There we go. I want to add a T on the end of there and put a full stop at the bottom there. Now we need to actually add a product image. And I'll use that one. And we'll put a couple of more images in there, the gallery, they'll appear underneath the product. So I'll use that one, and that one. There we go, as you can see there. Now we want to give it a category. It really doesn't matter because we're only selling the one product, but we'll add a new category just for the sake of it. So I'm going to add a new category. I'm going to call it MacBook. Hit the add new category button. As you can see, it's already put it in there for us. Alright, so we've got our product there. We've got the price. Now we're going to create 3 products, and I'll do 3 simple products. We could do 1 variable product, but for ease I'm going to do 3 simple products. So let's publish this and preview what it looks like. There we go. And we're going to customize our product page to look more like our site, perhaps in the next video. So what I need to do now is add 2 more products, one with a case and one with a case and warranty. And the easiest way to do that, if we just look at the original, yeah, we had one with a case, $19.99, and one with a case and a warranty at $20.99. So let's add those. Go back to our all products. And I find the easiest way to do it is to duplicate this product. I'm going to go ahead and duplicate. And if I had, I'm going to put with case inside the brackets there. If I had a picture of a case, I could add it to the gallery images below here, but I don't, so that's fine. Just need to change the price to $19.99, I think it was, yep. And publish that one. Great. And let's rinse and repeat. We're going to go to all products. I'm going to duplicate this one, hit the little duplicate button. And I'll delete the copy. I'll say with case and warranty. And we said the price was $20.99, I think. Let's just check that. Yep, that's fine. And let's publish that one. We've now got our 3 products. Great, so let's go back to our all products. And now we've got them, there they are. In our next video, we'll go ahead and go in and customize the product page. So I hope you've enjoyed that and found it useful. If you have, please ring the bell, give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Once again, this has been Jamie with System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.